Okay guys, so we're looking at, on question 7, we've got a right angled triangle and we are looking to work out the size of the angle marked X. So we are working out an angle. So right angled triangle, working out an angle. This is going to be trigonometry, isn't it? So it's going to be SOHCAHTOA. And we need to start by labelling the triangle. So we know that the hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. That's the longest side. The angle opposite the angle that we're working with is the opposite side. And the last one is the adjacent. So which one of those sides are we not really interested in or has no use to us? Well, the hypotenuse, we're not trying to work it out and we aren't given any information about it. So that is the one that we are going to discount. And we're looking for which one of these relationships here, the ratios, has O and A in it, opposite and adjacent. I can see that it's this one here, is the one we're looking for. That links the opposite and the adjacent side. So that's going to be the tan. And tan of the angle equals opposite over adjacent. So all we've got to do really is fill in the bits that we know. So we're looking for tan of the angle equals the opposite side, which is 14, divided by 7.5. And because you are looking for the angle, you want to know what x is here, we need to do the opposite of tan really to work out the angle. And that means that x will equal, when the tan goes to the other side of the equation, it does the inverse, which is tan to the -1. Normally you have to press shift, then tan to get this -1 version. And you always need the -1 version if you're looking for the angle. And we just really type in either the decimal of 14 divided by 7.5, or just you can type in 14 divided by 7.5 or 14 over 7.5, and that will give you the answer. And the answer, let me just write the answer up here. So x equals, and when you put that into a calculator, you get 61.8214, and it carries on. So what do we need to round it to? Well, it says give your answer to the nearest degree, the nearest whole degree. So we can keep everything before the decimal point. This is going to round this up from 61, rounds up to 62. So the answer, 62 degrees.